Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching, and make sure you guys hit the like button and also subscribe. So today is a watch list for April 19th, 2020, this coming week. I know April 19th is going to be Sunday, so here are a couple trade ideas of what to do this coming week and maybe a couple stock ideas. Again, these are my own opinion. This is not trade advice, so I'm not recommending this. This is just analysis of what I see on the technical side. So let's jump right into it. Okay, and the first thing we're going to look at are the S&P E-mini futures. This is one of the main things that I personally day trade. So we're looking at a daily chart. Let's pull up a fib, right? From high to low, we stalled at the 38%. We kind of stalled a little bit around the 50. We're working our way up to the 61, but I think the market is probably going to pull back somewhere within this area. If you watch my video from yesterday, I kind of said what my overall outlook is on the economy. I think that's actually going to start to catch up within the next few days to weeks, and the drum beats are going to kind of get louder of, okay, maybe things aren't going to be as rosy. We're not going to have that V-shape recovery. Getting back to the charts, this is what I'm looking at overall. So there is still a little bit more room, but we're looking around the 29 to maybe 2950 levels as the high end range. I actually think we're just trying to find an upper range of what the markets are going to do, and then potentially trade within a range and kind of go sideways over the next few weeks, so to even months. So that's my opinion on that. Let's look at a couple high flyers. AMZN, Amazon. Okay, and with Amazon, one of the things that we're seeing up here is on the daily, we are actually kind of going parabolic right now with Amazon. So be kind of careful with this. These are levels I was kind of watching for earlier this week, right? Kind of break out and then go up. But on the daily chart, this is kind of what we're looking at. All of this consolidation, we're kind of breaking out to the upside. If we actually draw a fib extension, let's see exactly where we potentially could go. Just a quick basic fib, right? 127, we're getting up to the 1618, which is about 2500, and then 2760 overall. So just something to kind of look at on the bigger picture, but we are breaking out. Maybe on the pullback, it might be a good buy area back to around this 22 levels, maybe a idea. NFLX, let's take a look at NFLX. Again, up here in NFLX, same exact pattern, right? If you think about it, let's draw our fib extension from high to low, and then all the way back down. Amazon kind of really broke out. NFLX is just starting to break out, it looks like, right? But at the same time, a lot of these stocks getting crowded because they have had massive runs off their lows. But on the upside, we're looking around 475. The 1618 is 540, and then the 200% is around 615 on Netflix. Again, just kind of be careful with these high flyers. Another one is going to be Tesla. Tesla, very interesting. We kind of had that parabolic move, huge pullback, but look where the pullback came, right where the breakout started, higher low, right? And now we're starting to come back up into this level. Do we actually make a potential lower high, right? If we just draw kind of something like this, and do we make a higher low, which could create actually a big potential flag or pennant formation. Interesting to see, but again, with oil cheap, the economy, how good's Tesla really gonna be if people are not driving over the next couple months, right? Because everybody's in quarantine. It's gonna be interesting, but Tesla is its own beast. Something to watch for. And then finally, let's take a look at ROKU. ROKU's a very interesting stock because if we kind of draw just our basic trend line, right, kind of the same exact pattern, ROKU actually has potential to run, I think, all the way back up to this 152 level. They reported earnings. Things are looking good on ROKU. So with that being said, I think ROKU actually does have a little more room to run to the upside. If anything, if ROKU does start to pull back, right, because people are quarantined, ROKU is one of those companies that's still making money instead of having to lay people off and things like that. Watch for the gap fills around 97 and then the 102 level and maybe the 112. So with that being said, I hope this gives you a couple ideas for this coming week of what to trade, levels to watch, and be safe out there. Remember, trade to trade well, not to make money, because the money will come when you do become or when you do start to really trade and become a master of one thing. So until next time, we'll talk to you later. Thank you.